YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Penguin. This is their above ground suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart and show you guys how to repair it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Penguin. This is their above ground pool cleaner. It is a suction side pool cleaner, so this will actually hook up direct to your skimmer hookup, or if you happen to have a dedicated line for a pool vac, a suction line for your above ground pool, this will work for that as well. As you guys can tell, I've got the bottom A-frame kit already out. If you guys want to know how to do that, make sure you guys check out the links in the description below. We've got a playlist to show you guys how to do that. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to actually remove this rotational ring. This ring is basically like a bumper guard for the cleaner, so that as it's ticking around your pool, if it happens to hit, let's say, your steps in your above ground pool, and it hits this one point, it'll actually keep agitating to the point where the cleaner is able to turn to then start its rotation to a different direction. So it's a really nifty little concept that they did with that to make sure that this thing doesn't get stuck. Unfortunately, it's not going to work if you've got some toys or something in there. If it happens to move with it, it's mostly made for like stationary pieces, as well as the ability to rotate around your round above ground pool. So if it hits the edge, it's able to ride the edge all the way around. So once you guys have actually removed the entire A-frame kit and taken that, set that off to the side, flip the cleaner back over again, and you're going to locate, there are 6 Phillips head screws right here on the actual frame itself. So we're going to go ahead and remove all 6 of these screws. So bear with me as we do this. Again, I always recommend doing this when you are on a flat surface like I am right now, so that you don't take the risk of losing a screw in the water or in your yard or something. This way you guys actually have a flat surface, so this makes the process a lot easier. And then as you guys are tearing things apart, as mentioned in the A-frame video, you guys want to make sure you guys set certain screws off to the side, because a lot of these screws are different sizes and they are meant for certain locations on the cleaner, so they're not just universal and you can't use one in every location. So you do need to know where they belong, so that way you guys make sure you just keep them all together so that you understand when you put it back together what goes where. So go ahead, I got the 4th one out. These are longer screws. They're like a self-tapping screw, so they actually have a point on them so that they actually go into the plastic frame. One more. Can't use my ratchet because it wants to move. Alright, so go ahead, remove the 6th one. As you guys can tell, you are good to go. You can grab that ring on the outside edge and out will come the actual full plastic cover, which will give you more access to the inside, as well as the ability now to replace these spindle wheels if they break off as needed as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to have a video on how to take those out as well for you guys. But I did just want to show you guys how to get in here, remove that ring. If the ring is cracked, it's broken, highly recommend fixing that, because it is crucial to the functionality of this cleaner, making sure that it stays, doesn't have the option to get stuck in your pool, because we all know with a vinyl liner pool like that, if this is going to constantly keep agitating over a certain spot, you're going to end up with a tear, and it's going to be a much more costly repair than if you guys are purchasing this actual ring to replace. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. I should have a ton more videos coming your way on all other cleaners out there. So until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.